This is Rob. At first glance, he is just a regular man. But that's only at first glance. In reality, he has super abilities. Because he has Volterman. At first glance, Volterman is just a regular wallet. But that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Volterman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Volterman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You are my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Volterman notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks. Got it.
Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
And there's more. Volterman has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming.
Go ahead, talk as long as you want.
I'm telling you, my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Sometimes, at very important moments, your battery dies.
Cut. This is a problem that happens way too often. We can't have just one scene in the video for this. Folks, you try and remember how many times your phone has died at the worst possible moment. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. Not only is Volterman super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
The idea of Volterman started 2 years ago, and our team of engineers and designers have been working tirelessly on creating a perfect mix of design and technology. And here it is in its final shape, packed with super abilities.
Oh, 45 minutes. Oh. Is that your Volterman again?
No, not this time. That was all me. Your personal Superman. So, what do you think? Did they understand they need to back this project in order to get Volterman into their pockets? Folks, we are so close to finalizing this project, but we need your help to start manufacturing Volterman. So back this project today, and let's make this a reality.
We've always wanted to have a garden to eat fresh vegetables, without chemicals. But we don't always have the time or space for it, and the weather doesn't always help. Instead of giving up, we started working on a smart hydroponics system, using the latest technology to grow fresh vegetables so that we no longer had to purchase them so frequently from the supermarket. And now we want to share it with the world. Designed to fit in all homes and watch the growth of your harvest from any angle. Turn on warm mode to create a warm and cozy atmosphere during dinner. Full automation system for the care of plants. Control your hydro through our app and share your pictures with the Plus model. double the size of the crop based on your needs and customize it with our hydro packs. Since hydro is made using only hardwoods, we will contribute to reforestation efforts through EcoSIA.
Hey Kickstarters, welcome in my project. Its name is GoPro. I'm so excited to share with you this idea. Just hold the line, I will show you some magic. Are you ready? Let's go! So here it is. This is the GoPro. How does it work? It's so easy. Put your camera on the mount and fix it. Calibrate the angle of view, then start to spin it. And the last step is have fun. The few things you need to know about GoPro. First of all, it's so easy to film. You don't need to be worried about framing of your shot because every time you use the GoPro, you will stay exactly in the center of the shot. The second, it doesn't take a lot of space in your bag and it's so easy to make it compact and take with you in your traveling and adventures. I made it from the polycarbonate. It's the most powerful plastic exist and you can bend it any position you want, but you cannot broken it. I also add the balancing system, so whatever GoPro or 360 camera you use, you can easily adjust the waist of this part of the wing and you will get the perfect balancing of whole wingo. The wingo have a 2-meter length cable, so I add some special system to comfortably store your rope and the handle. And the last thing is, it's so fun to film with GoPro. So, thank you very much for your attention. Sorry for my English, I'm just learning it. If you have a GoPro, hit green back this project button and I hope to see you at the list of the backers of my campaign. See you, my friend!